Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, in this question we need to find power required. For that we will first find out amount of heat which is given by delta Q divided by delta T, which is equal to K into area into delta T divided by delta X. K is the conductivity given in the question, substitute for that, into area is 4.2. Here we are taking temperature difference, so no need to convert it to Kelvin. Delta X is the thickness which is in centimeter, therefore convert it to meter. From this we get H value as 42.98. Then coefficient of performance is given by T1 divided by T2 minus T1. Here we need to convert to Kelvin the given temperature. Therefore T1 will become 277.5 and T2 is 307.5 minus T1 277.5. From this coefficient of performance value obtained is 9.25. Now the power value obtained will be H divided by coefficient of performance. H is obtained 42.98 and coefficient of performance value 9.25. From this power value obtained will be equal to 4.64 watts. Hope you got the answer. Thank you.